Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small Amazon order. Well, it's just one painting. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I do need to put in more Amazon orders, but I've been a little, I don't want to say picky, but a little bit more careful on the diamond paintings that I selected, because I've been noticing a lot of them I pick almost look alike. And it's because it's, you have your favorite styles. Sometimes some paintings look really close to each other. Technically they're not the same, but they look real close. And it's kind of confusing sometimes. This painting is a good example of it. So I did order this through Amazon at a discounted price. And the first time when I took it out of the package, I noticed, oh my goodness, is it the same painting I've ordered before? I believe it was the last Amazon painting I showed, because I saw this big old sun, but it's not. The other painting has a whole bunch of field of flowers. This painting's a little different. It has a tree, a couple of mountains, and some flowers at the bottom. I had to really look at it again. And I thought, oh my goodness, I bought two of the same. That's happened to me before when I've ordered paintings from Temu. There were a couple that I didn't notice. Oh, I bought it before, and I bought it again until I received it, and I saw, oh my goodness, I did already buy it before. Apologies for the crinkly noise. I'm just taking the painting out of this wrapping real quick. And yeah, I was just super surprised that time. I've ordered several times, I'm not going to lie, of the same painting. It's just, I kind of forgot I've ordered it before. So that's why this painting, I kind of thought same thing happened. No, it's a different painting. It's just there's the sun on the other one. The setting is just different at the bottom. So the canvas comes folded, and it has the diamond and your standard kit. Sometimes they're take this away. Usually they're not, but I do appreciate they do that. So in case, you pull the painting out and everything slips out, at least the kit will be connected to the diamonds. So your standard kit, and just in case you're new to diamond painting, always includes the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you do is pour the diamonds in the tray, get the pen, press in the wax, press on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, any other canvas you order, in case you lose your tray or in case it breaks, your next canvas will have one as well. This is a little bit fancier. For it has a nice sturdy grip for the pen and some resealable bags, really good for, putting extra diamonds, and a multi-placer. It's a 3-placer. Yes, it is. I love 3-placers. That's how I recognized in a heartbeat. Not all toolkits come with these little extra accessories, but sometimes they do, which is always appreciated. I really like that. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, first color I see are these wonderful oranges. This bright orange. This more salmon color, that bright yellow. Oh, this is so pretty. Ooh, there's more yellow. And the random teal in the back. I really like these color combos, as you can see. Ooh, these are real pretty. I kind of remembered how bright this painting was, and I think that's why I picked it. Because I love really bright colors. I love pastel. I just love colors. I am not picky. Yeah, I'm not picky. I have to really think about that. But I really love these bright tones. Oh, it's so pretty. And I do like when the diamonds are packaged this way. I have no idea why. I just love how they look flat. Usually sometimes they'll have them all curled up in one packet, but I do appreciate when they're in two separate ones. I don't know why. I just like the aesthetic of it. It makes sense to me. And this is the painting. As you can see, as I said, it's a nice bright moon with the mountain range. Little cute tree here in the middle, and a little pathway. I believe it has a little river with a whole bunch of flowers. And as you can see, it is really, really bright. And I really love that. I love that there's little trees here on the side, and I love the mountains in the distance, and I just love that really bright sun. Oh my goodness, this is more brighter than I thought. I really love this painting. And it's so, I don't know. That's the only thing I really like. It's really bright. I love the skyline. As you can see, the little clouds and the breaking of the sun rays. Oh my goodness, I really like this painting. And for some information about the painting, it is G4473 and is a 30 by 40 and it's 26 colors. Ooh, I thought maybe it might be in the 30 range, but you know what? I'll take 26. And on the top left corner, you can see a little thumbprint in case you want to compare anytime you're placing diamonds, making sure, you know, that the color is, in case you have a question about the color. That's why I really love the thumbprint. And the legend, yay, they do the thing I love. They have it on both sides, on the upper left and the lower right. The legend from the number 1 through 9 is in numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And from 10 all the way to 26, they're all capital letters, but they're all kind of all over the place. They don't really have an order. I'm just happy there's no symbols. Yeah, they're all just capital letters. I really like that. And it shows on both the legends, which work out for me because whenever I paint, I'm super guilty at spinning my canvases around. Just like that. So dramatic, but not that dramatic. And even though this canvas does have a little crease, you can always kind of roll it out. Or, as myself, I have a portfolio, so I put the portfolio in and the creases go away. Or you can put it, anything on top, heavy books or anything, or even in between your mattresses. I've heard some diamond painters do that to take care of the crease. I sometimes, if I really want to work on the painting, I'll work on it, crease and all, and my logic is I'm going to place diamonds on it, so the diamonds will weigh it down, and you don't see a crease. Yeah, I'm sticking with that. Honestly, I am not that picky, and I've had some canvases that were almost like a fabric type, and you can totally tell all of the little creases because you can tell it was bundled up. I had no problems at all when I was painting, and you couldn't really see the crease because since it was more of a fabric material, it settled. So that's like, to me, I don't find it as a big issue. I've never had diamonds pop off until I just jinxed myself. And the canvases for these are a little tougher, as you can hear with my fingers. I really love these because I do put a lot of these canvases on my wall without a frame, and I love that the little sturdy backing. I know the painting, you know, can withstand paint on the wall. And the plastic as well is really, this one is a lot smooth and it's really nice. It's a little thicker than I thought, and the stick, ooh, there goes a fingerprint. Always, never disappoints. I really love these canvases I get from Amazon. I'm a big fan of it. And just in case you want to see it a little bit more clearly, I'm going to put an image here in the middle of the screen. You have a nice, beautiful sunset over a mountain range. Is your style as well? Even though it's crazy bright. I really do like that. I am planning to place another Amazon order this week. But as I said, I'm being a little bit more, I'm not going to go crazy with paintings because I actually have been seeing that I have a lot of, and not just Amazon, but other company paintings as well. I need to actually finish them. And I have no problem showing them to y'all because I'm a big fan of, you know, I love presenting all of these. If maybe, as I said, maybe there's a painting I picked that you're a fan of, and especially with Amazon, since I've been seeing a lot of the diamond paintings being real discounted, that's why I've been trying to show more. As I said, I'm planning to place an order, but, well, it's not a warning. That sounds kind of bad. I'll let y'all know they'll probably be 30-40 range. I'm really falling in love with these large paintings. I'm really loving the size. And this painting, I'm loving it a bit more now that I see it. There's a lot of color blocking, as you can see, and there's a lot of lines. As for example, this bright yellow. If I sit down and actually just concentrate for a day, I think I can probably get half of it done. It is. There isn't a lot of confetti on this painting. The sun is another good example. I just noticed you can see through it. As you can see with the sun. Sorry, that's kind of neat. I've never seen that. It's all color blocking. Same thing with the sun rays, with the clouds. It's just a lot of lines and a lot of color blocking. I think this one will kit up next. Just so I can have something on the side. Because a lot of my other paintings, I'm still trying to finish it really big. And I know I'm not the one who's been there. That sometimes you get a little frustrated with the really big ones. This one is so cute that I could just sit, as I said, for a day. I know I can finish halfway done through it. Stay tuned. I think I'll do a kit up video for this one. I was thinking of this painting or the other one, but now that I actually see this one, I think I'm going to move forward with this one. Oh my goodness, that was so quick. And all the information about this will be in the description below, in case this wonderful painting is your cup of tea as well. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. And sorry, apologies for the segue. I just really wanted to kind of explain, you know, what's going to be coming up in my videos coming up. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful paintings we love to do, Amazon or not. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.